going to do Astrid.
Hi everyone, we are going to draw Astrid today. I'm going to go a big curve.
A big curve.
And from the other half, we're going to do a shorter curve but going downwards. And from this end, we're going to start. Make a dot over here and we're going to start again. Make a V. Again, a wider V.
A wider V.
And then now short curves. So watch how I make this. And then one more curve. And then on this right hand side of your curve that you brought down, make a thin V there. We're going to start from this edge of her hair where we started the first V, and we're going to go all the way across to make the shape of her face. Make a curve. And make a curve on both sides. And now we're going to join them, okay? I'm going to go and then underneath here we're going to make a curve and a curve on both sides, the same shape, and then make the curve inwards towards her face for her ears. In the center of her face we're going to make her nose, so an upside down U and then a flatter U for her nose, and we're going to make a smile which starts from the left hand side and it's a half smile, and then a chin, so make a slightly small curve under her smile. One eye over here and one eye over here, so we're going to make nice big round eyes. So make sure you have nice bright and big round circles, and inside that we're going to make only half a circle, or you can make a C shape, another white circle, and another white circle. So this hair is going to go all the way from behind her ear, and same thing on this side. We're going to have her hair go from behind her ear, flow it down her face on both sides. We're going to make one curved lines, so along her chin we're going to make those two lines. Make a curve and make another curve, and now join her hair. So her hair that we left up next to her face, we're gonna just make a curve, watch how I'm making, and then join it to make her hair. Same thing on this side. We've done this curve here. Now we're gonna make another curve. So we're gonna watch how I make this, watch the curve, and we're gonna make one more along that line, and we're gonna bring her hair towards that line and join it to make a triangle. So we've done both her hair on either side, and we're going to make a horizontal line joining these two lines.
Horizontal line joining these two lines.
And we're going to go a curve out and a curve out on both sides. So follow the shape. And underneath those two lines, we're going to bring a vertical line. Go straight down. And then again join it with a horizontal line. Now we're going to start from, make 2 dots on the top horizontal line. And now we're going to curve them back in to make her jacket. And join it with 2 horizontal lines very close to each other. So we're going to go a slant line and a slant line, same shape, repeat on both sides, right and left. And you're going to join it with a curve. And now we're going to make her legs. So in the center of her skirt, we're going to make 2 slant lines for the inside of her legs, and then a short vertical line on either side. And she's wearing boots, so we're going to go a curve slightly outside her leg and a curve slightly outside her leg to make the shape of her boots. And we're going to curve it back in towards her leg. Then make a vertical line going down.
Make a vertical line going down.
From the edge of that curve that you've done. And now from the longer side of these 2 legs, watch how I'm making it. Go a curve outwards and go a curve outwards. And now make a semicircle joining that, but do not touch it. So we've done her boots. Make a curved line on her boots closer to her legs. Now we're going to finish her arms and hands. So you can see we've started them over here. Now the other part of her arm is going to come out of her under her hair. So make one line over here next to her hair. You might not be able to see it fully. And then another arm over here under her hair. And we're going to make a big upside down flat C. And we're going to repeat that on this side. Make a black upside down C. Then make curved sides going down, vertical lines. And then we're going to again join them back with proper curves or C's. We're going to make her fingers. So go one curve, then another curve and another curve. Go fluffy clouds. And then make a round inwards to join her fingers. Same thing on this side. We're going to go 1 fluffy cloud, 2 fluffy cloud and 3 fluffy cloud. We're going to make another upside down curve on her arm and make 2 thin lines together. And same thing we'll repeat on the curve inside her, under her neck or her chin. We make the curves in there as well. We're gonna go a crisscross vertical line on her, a slant line on her hands, and we're gonna cross it over with make a cross slanting lines on her hands for her gloves, for her armor. Now on her skirt she has skulls.
Skeletons.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that. They are gonna be slightly tricky, so make half semicircles, make 3 of those. If you can fit 3, otherwise make 2, and then go slightly curved inwards, and then go slightly curved inwards
On all of them.
on all of them, and then join those lines when you make the vertical lines. And we're going to give it eyes, so make 2 circles or dots inside those for the shape of the skull, and give them nice eyes, hollow eyes. And we're going to go 2 vertical lines underneath it for all of them, and we're going to curve them. So on the left hand side we're going to do 1 more curve going downwards, and then take it up as a zigzag line, go up, then come back down, and then go back up.
So her hand.
And touch her hand. Yes, in this gap where we've done her hair, we're going to make thick straps, so a curved line, and then leave a gap and again make a curved line, and then continue that across. So we finished drawing Astrid. We're going to fast forward the video.
That's for you. Have a good day, friends. Come for next learn to draw. See ya.